I'm going to show you how to use my analytic tools to produce a 3D scatter plot with labels attached to each one of the data points. This is something I find difficult to do using standard Excel tools. What we have here is 49 countries, each country represented by a 3-digit label, and each country described by 3 characteristics: military expenditure, GDP per capita, and life expectancy at birth, that we wanted to use as the 3-axis X, Y, and Z on a 3D scatter plot. To do that, we go to Add-ins, Kamakura Analytic Tools, and choose 3D scatter plot. And now it's just a matter of highlighting the data range, making sure that the first row, as always, contains labels for each one of the columns, and you have data labels in the first column, and the next 3 columns would contain your X, Y, and Z coordinates. Let me highlight the range. Click OK. And there we have. The chart doesn't look very good because you need to format it to your taste. You notice that the label of the chart contains the label for the first column that defines the country labels. And what we have here is a 3D plot of GDP per capita, military expenditures, and life expectancy. And now we can rotate the chart to have a better view of the countries. And you can rotate as you wish. And of course, you can change the format of the map as you wish. For example, you can eliminate the data point. I'm going to get rid of the marker. And make sure that the labels now are at the center of each point. And there it is. This is my 3D scatter plot with labels.